Hi, this is Frank Savalli, better known as the Shutter Guy. Here at Service First Installers, we turn ordinary homes into beautiful homes. Window treatments, whether it be plantation shutters, blinds, or shades, is all we do. I personally meet with each homeowner to determine what's right for your home and your budget. With over 35 years of experience, you can be assured that the installation will be done correctly and in a timely manner. Our high-quality shutters are made right here in the Tampa Bay area. Just take a look at how our shutters have transformed these homes. We'd like to do the same for your home. It's no secret that the right window treatments can beautify your home, but it can also lower your energy costs and substantially increase the value of your home. Contact us today to set up a free, no-obligation consultation. We'll provide you with affordable options to dress up your home. At Service First Installers, service is our first name. We put you first because we're creating a higher standard.